Okay, so we ended up getting home late last night, so I didn't get any good video of it coming off the trailer, which it did come off the trailer, unfortunately, as you can probably tell by how it's laying here. Or a good walk around on it either. So I've had a chance to take a little bit of a look at it this morning while the neighbors are getting ready to go to work. I don't really like doing video with people around. But anyway, we're missing driver's side window. I don't know how much you know about these old trucks, but the windows are the same passenger side and driver's side, so I'll take that passenger side window out and put it over here. I'll explain more of that in a bit. But if you look down here, you can see the rockers. They're in great shape, and if you know why I'm showing you that, because these trucks are not known for having good rockers. Both inner and outer are known to rot away, as well as the cap corners. And this guy's good all the way around. Got a little bit of surface rust starting there. Might be a little bit worse, but you can definitely patch that easy enough. She's definitely got some wear on her. You can see down there it's going to require a small patch in the floor, but nice flat section, that's easy. Floors for the most part are pretty damn good in here. We do have a seat back in the backyard. I'm sure the wife will be happy to see that go bye-bye. I'll throw that in here, and I'll cover that seat bottom too. I have a seat cover for the bottom. That door, well, as ugly as sin and doesn't match, take a good look at the condition of it. These bottoms are usually rotted right out of them. That one's real nice. If you're into these big mirrors, hey, it's got them. Not everybody is. It's got some beautiful patina. Look at that hood. Just awesome. Gonna need tires. In fact, I think this morning I'll rip those off and run up to the wreckers and pick up a set of tires for it. Box side's pretty good. That tailgate is trash. Got another one here, same color, in nice shape in the back. A little ding back there, but that's not bad. Wheel wells are in nice shape. I'm not sure when this thing came off the road, but I think it was earlier rather than later. Even the boxwood, while it's missing on the outside where we seem to accumulate the snow and ice and everything, it's all there on the inside. I don't know if you can, probably not. I picked up that hood. I think that'll go on the white truck in the garage. And also picked up a passenger side door, because you can see this door is trash. The bottom is rotted out of it. But more importantly, it looks like somebody backed into this mirror and twisted that right out of there. She's mangled. Some good patina up on the roof. Over the windshield's not too bad. We got one spot starting right there. That's easily repairable. I think I'm going to pull off this panel here and go get some paint made up. And I'll just touch up the new door going on, and then the driver's door as well. A little pecker dent here. Yeah, that hood is nice. If you're into that kind of thing. Under the hood here we got a 292, which would normally be great news, but upon closer inspection it doesn't have a single spark plug in it, and I don't know how long it's sat like that. So I don't know if I'm going to get this thing to turn. We'll throw some oil down there and let her sit and see if we can get her to go, but I don't have a lot of high hopes for it right now. The best thing about it is it sat with the hood closed, so that's good news, but how long it sat like that, I don't know. So we'll see if we can get her to turn. Short of that, she's pretty complete. Even the inner fenders aren't bad. A little bit of rust here on the very ends, but that's about it. Somebody took care of her. See a newer alternator in there, and that the carb looks like it's in good shape. Well, no more once we get after it. But yeah, I think I'm going to squirt some oil down those spark plug holes. We'll let that sit for a bit. And then in the meantime, we'll go ahead and get these tires done first, just so I can maneuver this thing around. And get that window swapped over so she doesn't fill up with snow. And maybe I'll even throw that door on. But first things first, these guys gotta go. Alright. I guess that's the first walk around. Still minus 32 out this morning. Not a great day for this, but I fly back to work tomorrow, so I don't have a lot of choice. Okay, so my poor neighbors. I actually live in a nice neighborhood. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know, am I that neighbor? Maybe I am. Is that an engine block sitting outside? Yeah, it is. Okay. Is that another one hidden under a garbage can? Anyway, so I got that panel off. I'm gonna run down and see if I can get some paint match for that and just kind of tidy up that door a little bit. Also got all the tires ripped off. I hope my neighbors don't hate me for this, but I'm doing it for them. You know, I could leave this thing here. It'd be suit me just fine. But I know they probably don't want to look at it every day on their way to work. I know that because a bunch of them were on their way to work this morning and kind of scowled at me. At any rate, I am gonna close this hood. Maybe that'll help. Oh yeah, bud, night and day. Okay, I'm gonna take these tires in, try and get some rubber for them, and see if I can color match that guy. Just get a couple of spray bombs made up, and that way I can we see that door back there? No, there's a door under there. We'll get that touched up, and then maybe the driver's door too. We'll get this guy put back together, and I don't know how without a drive shaft, but we'll see if we can't get her squeezed in there. I am only one man. We'll see what we can do. Alright, so this is about as far as we're going to get today. I don't know if I'm even going to touch this thing before I fly back to work tomorrow. But I went and picked up some some tires. Threw them on there. Hopefully I can talk somebody into giving me a hand. Weasel this thing in a little closer to the garage. Yeah, no two rims are the same color, I'm afraid. Got a white one, a silver one, a black one, and a gold one. I threw some PB Blaster down the cylinders. I don't have a lot of hope for that, but we'll see. You can see that hood in the back, tailgate. Looks better than we left it today, but got a long ways to go. I got that door in the garage. I might throw some sandpaper at that and maybe put some paint on it and hopefully replace this mangled door before I go. I'm not 100% sure if that's going to happen, but I'll give her a shot anyway. I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, I owned this thing for exactly 1 day. We got some tires on it. I took that mangled door off and put that door we picked up, threw that on there. I had to throw some paint or primer on it anyway, so I just went and got a color match can. It's not the greatest color match, to be honest, but it's on there anyway, and it works fine and dandy. Also, I'll show you when I get to the other side. We've got tires in the front. Not really a whole lot to show you. I got the window on the driver's side, had no window in there. It turned out the regulator was rashed on it too, so we got that in. For a seat, what I did was add a seat cover, so I just threw a seat cover on the bottom, and I had this came out of the white truck, so I just threw that on there, just a little through on. You can see, how good the floors and everything are right here. It's pretty good. Didn't paint the inside of that door. See that shiny blue? That's what the outside was. So, like I say, I had to do something with it. So that's what I did. I just scuffed it. Half a spray bottle on there. For now, I'm not a paint and body guy. Probably do something with that later, but right now, that's what we got. So there we go. Under 1 day. I gotta go to work today, so I just thought I'd make a quick video this morning. The wife and I threw that on in the dark, otherwise I would have done this last night. I did notice the strange dents here from the inside. Must have left a tool or something there. So, sure. Anyway, there you have her. Content truck. We'll see what we can do with her next year, next shift. I do have her soaking right now. Some penetrating oil in there. Maybe it'll give when we come back, but I don't see any sense in starting with it right now. I did notice that there was a bunch of wiring disconnected under there from the coil and so on and so forth, so it gives me a little bit of hope, not knowing how long it's sat without plugs in it. Let's take some of that hope away. Anyway, that's where I'm gonna end this video off. Hope you found it interesting. If you did, like, subscribe, or whatever.